Okay. So we're back after last time when I was, oh, what's going on here? When I was like drawing. Oh my god, let's not even talk about it. Oh, ooh. Ah, bleh. Anyway. Flowers. God, let's not even talk about it. Leaves. Now, leaves are, I mean, if you studied basic biology in school, you'll know leaves are a type of flower, but they're not in the same family. And the one that is like, the one that connects flowers and leaves is ducks. Again, ducks. See, ducks are connected to a lot of things. Duckprints are very good for a variety of things. Cookies as well. Duckprints, na 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 na. Duckprints, Duckprints, Duckprints. Ah, I went horribly out of tune. I could have sang so much better than that, but now it's done. It's done. This reminds me of that time I was doing that drawing with the flowers. That was pretty good actually. Purple flowers. Yeah, I like that one. I wish I'd saved it instead of just like closing it. Huh, oh well. Oh, I just lost all the duck prints. Oh my god. Oh, I'm done.